Make money with AI is one of the most searched topics on the internet right now. But here's the surprising truth. Most people are using the same 2 or 3 AI tools, while completely missing dozens of incredibly powerful ones. Today, I'm going to show you 10 mind-blowing AI tools most people don't know exist, and some of them can literally save you hours of work every week, or even help you generate income online. Let's get started. Welcome to Vector Wealth AI, the channel where we explore the tools, technologies, and strategies shaping the future of income and productivity. Artificial intelligence is moving faster than almost any technology in history, and the people who learn how to use these tools early will have a massive advantage. So in this video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that feel like the future. Some are free, some can automate tasks, and a few can actually help you make money online. Let's start with number 1. The first tool is one almost everyone has heard about, but very few people actually use to its full potential: ChatGPT. Most people only use it for basic questions, but ChatGPT can help you write content, generate business ideas, summarize research, create scripts, write emails, and even build simple apps. Many freelancers are now using AI tools like this to complete work 10 times faster than before, which means tasks that used to take hours can now take minutes. Next is a tool that can turn your imagination into visuals instantly: Leonardo AI. This AI tool allows you to generate high-quality images, artwork, and designs just by typing a prompt. People are using tools like this to create YouTube thumbnails, digital art, game assets, social media content, print-on-demand products. Some creators are even selling AI-generated artwork online, and the quality keeps improving every month. Now let's talk about voice. 11 Labs is one of the most realistic AI voice tools currently available. You can turn text into professional voiceovers that sound incredibly human. This is powerful for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, training videos, narration. Many creators now produce entire videos without ever recording their own voice. AI handles the narration. If you struggle with organization, this next tool can change how you work: Notion AI. Notion already became popular as a productivity workspace, but the AI integration takes it to another level. It can summarize notes, organize ideas, write documents, generate project plans, create outlines instantly. For students, creators, and professionals, tools like this can save hours every week. Pictory is an AI tool designed specifically for video creators. It can take text, like a blog post or script, and automatically turn it into a video. The AI will add visuals, generate captions, match footage, create a complete video. For people who want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to appear on camera, tools like this make it possible. Next is an AI search engine that many people believe could eventually challenge traditional search: Perplexity AI. Instead of just showing links, it gives you clear answers with sources. It's like having an AI research assistant. This is extremely useful for learning new topics, researching business ideas, understanding complex information quickly. For students and professionals, this can dramatically speed up research. Runway is one of the most impressive AI video tools available. It allows you to generate or edit videos using artificial intelligence. For example, you can remove backgrounds, generate video scenes, add visual effects, create AI-generated footage. Video creation is becoming faster and more accessible because of tools like this. Durable AI does something that used to take hours. In about 30 seconds, it can build an entire website automatically. You simply enter your business type, and the AI generates a website, images, text, layout. For freelancers and small businesses, this removes one of the biggest barriers to getting started online. If you create content for social media, this tool is incredibly useful. Opus Clip uses AI to turn long videos into viral short clips. It analyzes your content and automatically identifies the most engaging moments. Then, it creates short-form videos ready for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Many creators are using tools like this to grow faster across multiple platforms. Finally, one of the best ways to stay ahead in AI is simply knowing what tools exist. Futurepedia is a massive directory of AI tools, thousands of them. It organizes AI tools by category so you can discover new technologies for writing, design, video, productivity, marketing, automation. Because the truth is, the AI revolution is just getting started. Right now, we're at a moment in history where technology is rapidly changing how people work, create, and earn money. The biggest opportunity isn't just using AI occasionally, it's learning how to work alongside AI tools every day. Because the gap between people who use AI and people who ignore it is going to grow very quickly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Vector Wealth AI, where we explore the tools shaping the future of income, automation, and artificial intelligence. And if you want, check out my next video, where I reveal AI tools that can actually help you make money online. Thanks for watching.